Hi guys, this is Gopichand and this video is not a clickbait. So now I'm gonna show you how you can make your own bit.ly type of links for free. This is not any paid plan and this has so many big limits. So this has a limit which you can create 100,000 links per day, which is more than enough for your needs. Now I will show you the reasons why you shouldn't use bit.ly. So for any beginners who don't know coding can use bit.ly for a short period of time, but there is some limits. So in the free plan there is only we can create up to 100 bit.ly links per month. So which means for 12 months you can create only 1200 links. So if you want to create more than those, we need to upgrade our plan. But in the paid plan also there are some limitations. As you can see in the enterprise level also we can create only 10,000 links per month, which means this is a limit. But I will show you how to create more than this. So for this service we gonna use firebase dynamic links, which has the limit of around per day we can create 100,000 links, and per 100 seconds we can create 5,000 links, and this is a limit. So if we create more than this we get 503 error or some errors, but this is more than enough. So by using firebase we can create those many links for free, and for this you need a little bit of programming knowledge. And this firebase dynamic links has been used by big companies like Shazam and Skyscanner. So now I'm gonna show you two sites which have been using this. So as you can see, this is a Medium link. When you click on share, you will get a link like link.medium.com. so this is a backslash. So as you can see now, if I click enter, the site will now takes to a main link, and as you can see the site has been redirected to another link. So like this, this is another site which is a news website. So if this is a short URL, this is not a main domain, you can purchase your custom domain like this also, and you can use this for your links. If I click enter, now you can see this will redirect to its main website, and this is the URL, and this is the news we are getting. So if I went to link.medium.com, so this is the link. If I click enter, it will redirect to the home page of the Medium. So now I will show you how to create like this same using Firebase and some HTML, which I will provide you, and this is the small code which you need. Now I will show you how to make this all in your system. So let's begin the video, guys. Now before moving on to the next process, subscribe to the channel so you can get more videos and get some helpful tips from me. So let's begin the next step. So guys, now open your DNS, so which you are using. So I am using Cloudflare, and go to your DNS settings. So we need to add our records here. So now let's go to Firebase console, and now we have to create a new project. Click on add project and provide a name, and now I am going with my name, Gopichand links. Now click on create, and this will take some time. So if you want to add analytics, add. So I want to add the analytics, and choose your default account and create project.
A few moments later.
So after creating the project, click on continue. So on the left hand side, scroll down to the dynamic links and click on it. This will load the page. Now click on get started, and now provide your domain name. So now I am going with links.gopichand.me. so this is the domain which I want to use. Now click continue. So you may get this error, no site has been created in the Firebase hosting. So to solve this error, we have to host this site or the subdomain to the Firebase hosting, which is free. Now go to hosting section in the left hand side. Now click on get started. This will ask us to install some firebase CLI. CLI means command line tools. Copy this. So to install this you need to have Node installed on your computer. I will provide the link in the below which you can download Node from there. And now copy paste this command. Now this will install all the dependencies which Firebase needs to host our site on the Firebase host. Now click next. Now these are the commands which we need to use while publishing our site from the command line. So you need to have a code editor installed on your computer. I am using VS Code. Let me close the project. So now create an empty folder by using any name. I am going with my name. Now drag this folder to the VS Code so that we can create HTML files and upload them. Now create a new file named index.html. And I am pasting a code. This is a boilerplate code which I will be providing for you, and this will just redirect this links.gopichand.me to the main domain from the subdomain. So this is just to test our site. Now open a terminal and type Firebase login. So click on that. So I have already logged in, so I will log out and log in for you so you can understand how to do this. Now I am logging out. To log out, type Firebase logout. If you see any Firebase error, that means you installed Firebase in a wrong location, I think. So this is asking to carry any reports. So now type Firebase login, and this will open the browser and select the Google account which you are using, and after successfully it will say done. Now you have to add Firebase in it. It will initialize your folder. Now you have to use the arrow keys to move up and down, not the mouse. And now click on the enter to select that. So now we are going with hosting. So we are using an existing project. So now click on existing project. You have to use the enter key. So here it given me my two projects. Now I am going with my project which I have created, and it is asking where the files are being located. So the files are in the root folder, but now I will create a public folder for it. It will ask configure as single app. So no, set up a no, then click no. So this creates a public folder. Now we have to deploy our site. So copy that and paste it and click return, and this will upload all the files to the hosting, and it will provide the link which we can view. As you can see, this has generated some files. I think we made a mistake. We have to move our index.html to this public location. Okay, let me check it. So for this we need to delete the index.html in the public folder which it has been created, and now move our index.html page to the public folder, and again type Firebase deploy, and this will again take some time depending upon your internet speed, and this will upload the all files to the Firebase hosting. As you can see, this will provide a link which is given by Google. It's a free link. So as you can see, now we are redirecting to the root domain. Yeah, it was successful. So this has done correctly. Now click continue. Now we are adding our custom domain in the hosting section. Add your domain which you want to use. I'm going with this one, and click continue. and now we need to verify the site. So copy the txt record and go to your DNS and add it. So this is a txt record, so click txt, and it is not a root, so I am adding links. So change it to 1 minute so it can be taken faster time. Now click on save. This will take some time to work. Let's click verify. If you get this error, wait for a while.
One eternity later.
So after verifying, the site has now, it will show need to set up because they need to provide a SSL. They will provide SSL within 24 hours. So as you can see, SSL is not there, so it is showing the connection is not private. As you can see, this is working correctly, our subdomain also. So let's go to the dynamic link section in the left hand side and click on get started and provide the same link. It will show you in the connected section, and click continue. And you may get this error as they are conflicting, and we need to add the code below in the firebase.json. I will show you how. So see, now you will get this has been linked correctly, so you will get this invalid dynamic link as we have not created any dynamic link. This is just root domain. So you need to add this code in the firebase.json file, and you need to change the source and add some lines. By doing this correctly, you will get this message, and you have to write firebase deploy only hosting, and it will deploy, and this will provide all the configurations which we need. Now let's create a new dynamic link. Now I will create a Instagram redirect link. I will type Instagram, click next. So to redirect this, I am going to provide my Instagram link. And we can give any name. This is just for SEO purpose. And now you can see this, if I paste this site on the new window, this site has been redirected to another site. And we can also add the meta tags, which will help us to have better visibility throughout the internet. Now we will redirect this links.domain.com to our main root domain. So for this, you need to add this little code in the firebase.json and type your root domain there, and it should be in 301. And now you need to deploy this again to the Firebase hosting, and type Firebase hosting, and it will take some time and it will deploy. And now type the link. As you can see, the link now will be redirected to our root domain. It will not give any error like invalid dynamic link. As you can see, the link has been redirected. So now I will show you the second method. If you don't have any domain purchased, as they will provide a domain like page.links which you can be used. Let's get to the process. Again, click on add project. I will show you, and I will click next, and I am now turning off the Google Analytics as I don't want. This is just if you want you keep this on to get these analytics on Google Analytics app or website. Now create project, and let's wait for the project to create.
A few moments later.
Yeah, now the project has been created. And now you don't need any hosting to make, as this is these domains are from the Google and they are verified. Now let's go to dynamic links and click on get started, and it will ask you for the URL. So if you don't have, so now I will show test domain. So main, So you can see now Google provided domains on the click. Now click here and click continue. So you can see this domain has been verified. Now click finish. So now we got the link testdomains.page.link. So you can keep here, in place of test domains, you can keep your name or anything, but you can't change the page.links. Now click to create new dynamic link. So this is a backslash which you get. So I'm gonna keep this as same. Now click to redirect the website. Now I'm going to redirect to my startup domain. This is, now I will keep the name Studios. Now click next. I don't want this to open in my app. Again next. So I don't want to add the meta tags. So if you want, you can add, and this will show you in WhatsApp or Discord when you share the links. Now I'm clicking on to create. As you can see, this site has now been created. So now if I take this link and open this in the incognito window, I pasted the link. So if I click enter, as you can see, now this has been redirected to the. So this is how it works. So you can use this for your any projects or anything, for your business related information also. So that's all from my side, guys, today. So if you learn anything valuable, please share it with your friends and family members. If anybody needs, subscribe for more videos, and see you again next video. See you guys. Peace.